Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change or replace your phone number in Imo. Go to the Imo app from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the bottom left corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down and you can find an option Imo Account Settings. Tap on this. In the Imo Account Settings, here is an option Change Phone Number. Tap on this. Here, enter your new phone number. After that, tap on the rat symbol. A pop-up menu will open. Tap on OK. A verification code has been sent to the newly given phone number. Enter the code here. That's it. Your phone number has been changed successfully. To check this, go back to your profile. And below your profile name, you can see the new phone number. So that is how you can change or replace phone number in Imo. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.